Hi everyone, welcome into Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to push your Postman collection to GitHub. This is a great way to store, share and version control your API collections with your team. So let's begin. Open Postman and export collection. Click on three dot, click on more and then click on export. Now, click on export JSON and save this collection into a new folder. Let's create a new folder. Right click, new, and then enter folder name postman underscore collection. Open this folder and save this collection into this folder. User.json. Make sure enter this extension for saving this collection user.json and then click on save. Now your collection was exported successfully. Next thing we need to do here, we need to create a repository in a GitHub account. Open Chrome browser and create a new repository. For creating a new repository, you need to click on create new and then click on new repository. Enter repository name Postman API collection. You can add description here. Choose visibility. For now, select public and scroll down. Click on create repository. After clicking on this create repository, you can view this repository link. You can copy this repository link, set up in desktop. Scroll down. This is command for creating a new repository on the command line or push an existing repository from the command line. This is the command. Git init is used for initialize a new local Git repository. After Git initialize, you need to add git add dot, which is used for add all files to the staging area, and git commit. This command is used for save changes with the commit message. And this is the URL of Git repository. It is used for link local repository to GitHub repository. And this is the command git push -u origin main, which is used for push code to GitHub and set main as default upstream branch. Now, use this command for push the Postman collection into GitHub. Open the folder in which save this collection. Right click and click on open git bash here. You need to install git in your system, so you can view this option open git bash here, and then first enter command here, initialize a new local git repository here. Open git bash here, first initialize a new local git repository. Enter command here git init for initialize a new local git repository. Reinitializing string you can view here, reinitializing. Now add all files to the staging area. Git add dot all files added to the staging area. Now save changes with a commit message. You need to commit first, so here enter git commit dash m and then enter message here. You can enter any message here. For now, enter here postman collection. This is the command for commit. Save all changes with a commit message. Click on enter. You can view here on branch when nothing to commit. If any changes make in your folder, so you can commit first before pushing the code. Now After 7 changes with a commit message, so you need to rename current branch to the main. For rename current branch to the main, you need to enter git branch dash m main. Now we can link local repository to the GitHub repository. So you need to enter command here git remote at origin and then enter the URL of the repository. Open Chrome browser and this is the URL of this repository. Open git and enter URL here. Remote origin already exists. This origin already exists, so you can view remote origin already exists. Now we need to push these files into git, so you can view. This is the command for push git push dash u origin main. This is the command for push the files into GitHub account. Enter command here git push dash u origin main. Now you can view all files have been pushed to the GitHub account. We can verify these files from the GitHub account. Now click on this repository and here you can view user.json file has been pushed to the repository successfully. So that's our for today tutorial on push your Postman collection to GitHub. If someone want to make changes in this collection, so just make changes and push this collection into the GitHub account, so everyone can save this all changes on site. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to Squad for more tutorials. See you in the next video.